Wake up to the sound of the city lights, skating through the chaos of neon nights. Trumpets blaring alleyways so tight, graffiti dreams paint the wrongs into rights.